and no colors in our souls, no pigments that have seeped deep enough to breach the depths of our hearts, for we were all born from the same shade of love. So, would you make us after your own image? Would you, God, orchestrate the symphony of melanin to sing the beauty of your face? May our faces be like music. May our colors compose a song that reflects every genre of your love, blending each of these skin tones into a melody too beautiful for one heart to sing. Form a choir from all the souls you've acquired from the grave, that we might sing your name, for we are yours, God, the medley of your image, living by your script, living out our differences and worshiping together until we are all together as one in the spirit of you.